Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maha Academy. In any exam in India, there are we may find some questions on Buddhism. So in this part, we will see the personal life of Buddha. So the Buddhism founder is, as we know, is Gautam Buddha. His childhood name was Siddharth. He was born in 563 BC on Vaishak Purnima at Lumbini, that is in Nepal, which is located near Kapilvastu. So Buddha was also known as Shakyamuni and Tathagata. So meaning of Tathagata is the person who reached to the truth. The person who reached to the truth. So father of Buddha was Shuddhodana, who was a Shakya ruler. His mother's name was Mahamaya. She was from Kosala dynasty. His mother died when he was just 7 days old. Then he was brought up by his aunt Gautami, who was also his stepmother. He was married to Yashodhara at the age of 16. His married life was of 13 years. His son's name was Rahul. And at the age of 29, he renounced. He left, which is known as Mahabinishkramana. Mahabinishkramana. So after that, he wandered for 6 years. And his first teacher was Alara Kalma, and his second teacher was Udraka Ramputra. He left a home with Channa, the charioteer, Kantaka, his favorite horse. He left the home with Channa, who was charioteer, and Kantaka, his favorite horse. At the age of 35, he attained nirvana, that is enlightenment, at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, at the banks of river Niranjana, under Peepal tree. He delivered first sermon at Sarnath, which is known as Dhamma Chakra Pravartan. Some of the places which were associated with his Dhamma Prachar were Sarnath, Varanasi, Rajgir, Lumbini, and Shravasti. With advice of his cousin Ananda, he gave permission to women for entry into his Dhamma. Some personalities associated with Buddha were Angulimal, Devdatta, Sujata, Sariputra, Uplai, Modugulan, Anantapindak, Bimbisar, Ajatsatru, Jivak, Mahakashyap. So he died at the age of 80 in 483 BC at Kushinagar, which is known as Mahaparinirvana. Some of the events were associated with some symbols. Birth of Gautam Buddha, and his symbol was lotus. Renunciation, that is Mahabinishkramana, the symbol associated with his horse. Nirvana, that is enlightenment, the symbol is Bodhi tree. Dhamma Chakra Pravartana, the symbol is wheel. Mahaparinirvana, that is death of Gautam Buddha, that is, and symbol is Stupa. Some reasons of religious movement at that time, introduction of new economy, development of agriculture, and development of iron based economy, support from traders, as traders belongs to Vaishya, Vaishya Panth, and they wanted peace. That that means that they don't want to battle. They don't want battles with the uh, kings, various kings from Mahajanpadas and all these things. So when there will be a peaceful climate or environment, definitely their trade must be bloomed. So they supported Buddhism and they support deterioration of Vedic philosophy, supremacy of upper caste. All the religious texts were in Sanskrit, which was not understandable to masses. So these are some reasons for the development of Buddhism. Thank you, friends. In next lecture, we will see about the philosophy of Buddhism. Thank you very much.